Hey guys, Sins here. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Discord.js package to create a Discord bot for yourself or for others. So yeah, let's get into it. Just want to head to code.visualstudio.com and download it. If you're on Windows, just download it for Windows. If you're on Mac or Linux, you can find it here. Linux is kind of specific, so you need to know if you're deb or RPM. Most Linux versions use deb if I'm not mistaken. But once you finish installing that there, you can just close it, head to nodejs.org, and download the recommended one. I've already got it, so I will not install that again. But just install recommend, not latest. Latest can have certain bugs in it that can't be fixed yet, at least. So once you've installed it, exit, head to yarnpkg.com, and that'll just be the documentation on Yarn. But to install Yarn, you're going to open a command prompt by typing command prompt in your Windows search bar. It should pop up like a black terminal looking thing. And you just want to run this command, npm install space -g space yarn. Once you've finished installing it, you can do yarn -- version, and it should look something like this here as it says. And once you've got Yarn, you can head to discord.com/developer/applications. So I will go back, just click new application, put your name in here. I've got one. This here will show up in the about me, this your name, this week we've had a logo in, just select the image. Bot, you'll see a create bot button. And it'll show up something that says like irreversible, just click yes or whatever it says. And you'll get this. If you want to make your bot private so only you can add it, just uncheck that, save changes. And to invite your bot, you have to go off to bot, administrator, copy, open a new page, paste that link in, select server, and you just want to do your server you want to put it in, and authorize. As you see, this is authorized. You can just close that now, and we'll get into the coding side of things. You just want to, well, really, this here is sensitive data. Anyone who has this tier token can inject code into your bot and use it to get your account banned. So I suggest keep it private. This here will be regenerated at the end of the video. But you just want to copy that and we can head over to Visual Studio Code. I nearly forgot to mention, you need to make a directory for your bot, which I can't record my File Explorer for some reason. So I'm just going to do it in my terminal. But you just want to make a directory where your bot's data be stored. So I'm just gonna do this and make dir YouTube-bot. This is just where my bot is gonna be stored. You don't have to do this, it's just my way of doing it. But yeah, make sure you have your directory. Okay, so now that you've opened Visual Studio Code, you just want to head File, Open Folder, and find the folder where you want to make your bot, and just open that there. Then we can do, you can press, oh actually I'll just do this here. So you want to press Control. You don't have to type this out, it's just showing you what you have to press. Control and comma at the same time. Not a workspace, I think. Oh wait, sorry, I did that completely wrong. It's Control plus, you don't need to do the plus sign. This thing, I forget what it's called. Just press that there and you'll see at the bottom a terminal will come up with that. It's just up there because I was making something. But yeah, that would just pop up. And here you want to type yarn in it. Enter that there. and it will pop up with like a setup kind of thing. So name, index.js. I'm just gonna put my Discord tag in here as author. License, just enter all this. Then we need yarn, add discord.js @ 12. This will just install discord.js 12 version 12. So we can actually make a Discord bot. Once we've done that, we just bring that down a bit. We can create a new file called index.js, and we can ignore for it now. Create another file called config.json. And in here, just do some curly brackets, press enter, quotation marks, prefix, colon, quotation marks. And this here is basically how your commands can run. So where prefix is 3 exclamation marks, your command for say hello would look like that. I'm just gonna do a simple exclamation mark. But in the next line, this is where token comes in. You're gonna do token and more quotation marks. Just Control V, paste your token in there. You can save the Control S, and once you've done that, you can just close out of it. Now we can get to the coding part. We can do const Discord with capital D equal require these thingies, and just not at Discord.js, just do Discord.js. Make sure you put your semicolon at the end. Now we'll do const. We'll do client equal new. If I can spell it, new. Discord.client, both capitals, semicolon. We can do const config equal require. We can do these thingies dot slash config.json and another semicolon. Now we'll just go down here and we'll do client dot login config dot token and our semicolon. Now this check if the bot is online. We'll do let's do this. We'll do client dot on brackets, and we need quotation marks here, but I'm just going to use these. Ready. Just do more brackets, then we do arrow sign. Oh no, equal arrow, then some curly brackets, and then here we'll do console.log, and we'll use tilde just below your escape key in most keyboards. And then we'll do $, curly brackets, client.user.tag is now ready. Then we need /n, we need prefix. Well, you don't need to do this, it's just to show you what the prefix is. We do now $ curly bracket, do config dot prefix. Make sure you put your curly brackets in. I'll just give you a second to copy that. Once you've copied it, you want to head to package.json, and you're going to go here, quotation marks, and just type scripts, and you can press enter, quotation mark, start, and here's the node index.js. Save that, and now we can use the command yarn start as the node index.js, and it will say YouTube bot is now ready, prefix, and that is the prefix we have set in our config. Now we can head back here that we know this works. Just press Ctrl C to stop it. We can do client dot on message. Then we'll pass message. Then we'll do our equal arrow curly brackets. Then we can do if message dot content is equal to config dot prefix space plus space and hello. Then we'll open curly brackets at the end and type message dot channel dot send and tilde. I'll do hello there, and we'll some $, curly bracket, message dot author. I think that should work. That's right, I think tag. We can just do that, make sure you get your semicolons in there. And we can just start the bot again with yarn start. And you'll see it's online, so we'll head over to Discord and I'll show you what that does. Okay, so I'm here in Discord now, as you see the bots on the server. And you'll see a Discord bot tutorial, that's what we have on the website. But we run the command hello. It says hello there, sends and my name. If you want to change it to tag, it would look, the code would look like this here. It'll be message dot channel dot send, and we'll just do tildes. It would just look like this here. We'll just do arrow, and then we'll do this here, message dot author dot id. We just close up in our curly. That'll be what you put in the if thing. I didn't spell it right. But that would just send it so it tags you instead. So it'll be like, that's what it'd send. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment on what you want to see next. And if you think it helped you, then stay tuned and get more soon.